Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Today we are going to learn how we can customize this section. It is called Home Page Hero Divider section. Simply you need to go to Setting and Design Settings. Then click on Home Page, scroll down and select Content to Display. This is the Hero Home Page Divider. If you don't find it in any box, you can search here as well. Home Page Hero Divider. Click on Edit Settings. For example, here it is saying search the directory and these are the icons. First of all, let's change the icons. I will use multiple icons here. Okay, the icons are changed and the icon colors I will change. Save and close. Refresh. Okay, the icons and colors are changed. Okay, then click on edit settings. How to change the text? Now these are the button text and these are the URLs. Save, close, refresh the page. Okay, they are changed. If you remove these buttons, then these will be clickable. Let's remove the buttons by removing link text. Save and close. Refresh. Now they are clickable. All are clickable. Okay, so they are clickable now. You can open them in a new tab. How you find that which URL for which page it is? In order to find the URL, you need to go to My Content and Web Page Builder and My Content and Edit Post Settings. In Web Page Builder, you will find the URL for home page, login page, join page, etc. Get match categories. In the edit post setting, you will find the URL for the posts like articles, blogs, videos, photo albums, jobs, etc. So you can create new one as well by clicking on here. And in the post, you can clone them. We will discuss these posts, etc. in the coming videos as well. So that's how you can customize the homepage hero dweller section of your website. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Bye bye.